If you like my content and would like to see many such travel videos, please subscribe to my channel. It doesn't even take a minute. It is very easy to do, but it means a lot to me. Thank you. Good morning. Today is 18th May, and today is the last day in Osaka. We are at Shinkansen station and going to Kyoto. Uh, so this is the Shinkansen station. Let me show you how it is. This is the Shin. So all the Shinkansen leaves from Shin Osaka station in Osaka. So whenever you book a Shinkansen, make sure that you are selecting the correct station. Okay, it's not Osaka station. Osaka and Shin Osaka are two separate stations. So this is the outside of the Shin Osaka station, and we booked a cab. It was around 8 kilometers from our hotel. It took 15 minutes, 15 20 minutes. And cab fare was how much? 2,800 INR cab fare. So yeah, so let's get into the station. Our train is at 8:30 and now it's 7:15, so we reached quite early. This is the inside of the station. अभी ढूंढते हैं, एक 7-Eleven है अंदर. शिंकानसेन सेंट्रल गेट टिकट्स. तो अभी हमें ढूंढना पड़ेगा कि किधर से जाना है हमें. इट्स अ ह्यूज स्टेशन. वंस यू एंटर शिन ओसाका स्टेशन, आते ही इधर शिंकानसेन टिकट्स का है. अगर किसी को यहाँ पे आके टिकट्स लेना है तो वो इधर से ले सकते हैं. एंड जस्ट द ऑपोजिट इज द शिंकानसेन ट्रैक्स. यू कैन सी हियर रिटन शिंकानसेन सेंट्रल एंट्रेंस. तो एकदम आते ही सामने ही है. सो नथिंग टू वरी. एंड इफ यू हैव टिकट्स फ्रॉम क्लुक, देन यू जस्ट हैव टू स्कैन द QR कोड. दैट्स इट. तो अभी हम जाएंगे स्टेशन पे और फिर देखेंगे कि कौन सा प्लेटफॉर्म में देता है. एंड अकॉर्डिंगली वी हैव टू गो टू दैट प्लेटफॉर्म. सो शिंकानसेन सेंट्रल गेट से एंट्री करके ही है. Ours is Nozomi 2, 8:30, and it is showing track 27. So finally हम पहुंच गए हमारे ट्रैक पे, which is track 27, and there is one Shinkansen which is standing right in front of me. This is Nozomi 76, and it's just departing from Osaka, and it is going to Tokyo. इसके बाद शायद 8:18 पे एक नोजोमी है. एंड देन आवर्स इज एट 8:30. तो हमारा है नोजोमी 2. एंड फॉर टू ऑफ अस वी पेड 4,068 INR इन क्लू. ये गया. लेट मी शो यू द शिंकानसेन ट्रैक. And there are three kinds of Shinkansens in Japan. एक है Nozomi, which is the fastest. उसके बाद एक और है, उसका नाम मैं भूल रही हूँ. And then there is Hikari, which is the third fastest actually. To reach Kyoto, हमें सिर्फ 13 minutes लगेगा. 13 minutes. Okay. So if anyone wants to come to Hikari also they can. There is no problem. But हमें नोजोमी का एक्सपीरियंस लेना था, इसीलिए मैंने नोजोमी बुक किया है. किसी को अगर थोड़ा चीपर में शिनकानसेन चाहिए, they can go for the other Shinkansens. There is no issues. So yeah, and there are प्लेटफॉर्म में भी थोड़ा बहुत खाने का दुकान है. And if you are coming early in the morning and want to grab something, then there are things which you can grab from here. I can see pancakes and all. अंदर बैठ के कुछ फील नहीं हो रहा है कि कितना स्पीड से ये ट्रेन जा रहा है. It is no clue. It is like as a normal speed as we get trains in India. Like कुछ समझ नहीं आ रहा है अगर फास्ट जा भी रहा है तो. Of course फास्ट जा रहा है but कुछ समझ नहीं आ रहा है. So we reached Kyoto and Kyoto में हमारा होटल है मियाकू सिटी किंतेत्सु स्टेशन. The name of the hotel is that and the hotel is right inside the station. मतलब कियोटो स्टेशन जो है उसके जो नारा साइड वाला लाइन है मतलब किंतेत्सु कियोटो स्टेशन जो लाइन है वहीं पे है होटल. And the checking time is 3 p.m. So obviously we didn't get the room yet. We just kept our luggage in the cloakroom and now we are heading to Nara. So for Nara, from Kintetsu Kyoto station to Nara there are several trains. So if you want to go through regular trains, वो आपका normal ICOCA card will work. It's just that it takes a longer time. So I have opted for Limited Express because that takes around at least 20 minutes lesser. So we have got tickets for Limited Express, that is Kintetsu Limited Express. So जिसका total price है 1280 yen per person, 1280 yen per person. So 520 yen is the reserved seat fare and 760 yen is the train fare. Okay, so 760 will get deducted from your ICOCA card once you tap the card, and for that 520 you have to take tickets like this. You'll get tickets which has the car number. Let me show you. So this is the car number and this is the seat number we've got. So जैसे पहले मैंने बोला था कि I was very overwhelmed with all the train routes in Japan. बहुत सारा ट्रेन है. ट्रेन रूट से यहाँ का सबवे है, मेट्रो है, नॉर्मल ट्रेन है, लिमिटेड एक्सप्रेस है, शिंकानसेन है. So it's very very overwhelming for any first timers in Japan. It was with me also. I was very anxious, very overwhelmed. But every station, wherever you come here, in every station, जहाँ पे ticket reservation centers है, ticket reservation counters है, there are people standing in front to help you and they can communicate in English. So I'm doing the same. For any first timers, you have to do the same. You just have to come and search for any ticket counters and there you'll find people in uniform. You can just go and ask them and they'll give you the correct direction. You can ask locals also, but locals के साथ क्या होता है, थोड़ा communication issues है. तो इसलिए जो यहाँ के जो स्टाफ है उनके साथ अगर आप बात करोगे, उनको पूछोगे, तो they will give you the correct direction and they can communicate in English. So yeah, so we are waiting for our train. Our train is at 10:25 and it will drop us at Kintetsu Nara station in 34 minutes. और उसके बाद वहाँ से plan is to take a bus. There's a loop line bus there which will drop us to the top of the route, so that we don't have to go uphill and downhill, that we don't have to backtrack. So we'll start from Kashuga Taisha Shrine and we'll come downhill. So that's the plan. किंतेत्सु नारा स्टेशन पहुँचे. It took for 35 minutes. और पहुँच के when you exit, take exit 5. You'll be able to see the bus list there. And just turn left, just behind exit 5 is the bus stop 1, जहाँ से आपको buses मिल जाएगा. Bus number 77, bus number 97 and City Loop bus 2. These buses go. वहाँ पे staff है bus का, who will be able to help you with like if you ask them any questions कि whether it's going to where you want to go. And ICOCA card works. You just have to tap and enter and tap and exit. That's it. So हमें 97 मिला bus number. We just reached Kasuga Taisha Shrine. So, if you are coming to Kyoto, you should make sure that you are visiting Nara. Like I said, Nara is just 35 minutes away from Kyoto by train. So, Nara has a history behind it. It's more than just a city with friendly deer. It's 1710 AD, Nara became Japan's first permanent capital. उसके पहले जापान का कैपिटल हमेशा मूव होता रहता था whenever the new emperor took the throne. So by establishing a permanent capital in Nara, Japan ने reorganize किया अपना government. They have expanded their trade and also encouraged art, culture and Buddhism. Japan, Nara is actually famous for three things now, which is its free roaming sacred deer in Nara Park, its famous Todaiji temple, which is home to great Buddha, and the beautiful Kasuga Taisha shrine where I'm walking uphill. So most of Nara's temples and shrines are recognized as a part of UNESCO World Heritage Site now. From here, Kasuga Shrine is around 350 to 400 meter uphill. By walk, you have to go. Finally, हम पहुँचे Kasuga Taisha Shrine. Look how beautiful it is. So this was built in 768 AD by the powerful Fujiwara clan, and this is not just Nara's but Japan's most important Shinto shrines. So माना जाता था कि Nara city is protected by God. This is the main entrance, and looks like there is a ticket if you want to go inside the shrine. यहाँ पे ticket लेना पड़ेगा. Yes, and on the right side we have the ticket counter. So Kasuga Shrine is actually free for visitors if you want to visit the shrine grounds and just go through the stone lanterns and explore the outer shrine area. अगर special worship area में जाना है, the inner sanctuary and the main hall, then the ticket price is 700 yen per adult, and for high school students and for children it is free of cost. So Kasuga Taisha is famous for its 3000 stone and bronze lanterns. और ये देखने के लिए हमने टिकट लिया. So stone lanterns line the pathways through the forest, and जो दूर में जो आपको golden color का lanterns दिख रहा है, that hangs inside the shrine buildings. So these lanterns were actually donated by worshippers. कुछ हज़ार सालों से जो वॉशिपर्स है ये यहाँ पे ऑफ़र करते हैं ये लैंटर्न्स एज अ ग्रैटिट्यूड एंड प्रेयर। साल में 2 बार सारे लैंटर्न्स को एक साथ जलाया जाता है ड्यूरिंग द मांतोरो लैंटर्न फेस्टिवल। And I can only imagine how beautiful it must be looking at that time when they lit all the lanterns together. सो ये जो फॉरेस्ट दिख रहा है, दिस इज़ कासुगायामा प्राइमेवल फॉरेस्ट. This surrounds Kasuga Taisha shrine, and this is considered very sacred. Like over 1,000 years से यहाँ पे कोई trees cut नहीं हुआ था. So हमें बहुत सारे ऐसे trees दिखे हैं जो like it looked really ancient, with their huge roots. Also another thing that I noticed is that यहाँ पे जितने भी Tori gates है, and all their shrines have a beautiful bright orange red color, like the building colors. So in Japanese tradition, this color is believed to protect against evil spirits and symbolize purity and good fortune. फाइनली कसूगा श्राइन से वॉक करते करते हम लोग पहुंच गए नारा डियर पार्क. So, according to Shinto legend, one of the shrine's deities arrived here riding a white deer. So, तब से deer को यहाँ पे sacred माना गया है, and they are regarded as messengers of God. And you'll see deer freely roaming between the shrine and the Nara Park. You can feed them deer crackers. They will happily bow in front of you. Finally reached the final destination of Nara Loop, which is Todaiji Temple. So ये temple जापान का सबसे important Buddhist temples में से एक है. And this temple was built in 1752 AD by Emperor Shomu. And he built it because the time when he built it, that time Japan में diseases और natural disasters and political unrest बहुत ज़्यादा चल रहा था. So emperor का thought ये था कि Buddhism लोगों को एक साथ ला सकता है, and there will be peace prevailing. So with this vision, he prepared Todaiji. So there is a great Buddha inside the temple, which the name of the great Buddha is Daibutsu. It seems आज main hall में कुछ चल रहा है, इसीलिए the front door is closed. So that is the main hall. So नारा एक्सप्लोर करने के बाद हम लोग अभी पहुँचे वापस किंतेत्सु नारा स्टेशन, and we are going back to our hotel, which is in Kintetsu Kyoto station. So Nara में, as you saw, there is a lot of walking. पूरा सर्कल वॉक करके ख़त्म करना होता है. And there's a Hindi announcement going on. There's a Hindi announcement going on. Look, did you hear it? There's a Hindi announcement going on. Oh my God, that this is the first time I'm hearing this. So after you finish Nara Deer Park, so like I said, you should first do Kasuga Taisha Shrine and then come down through Nara Deer Park, and then you have to do the Todaiji temple. So once you finish that, you come back to the passage of the Nara Deer Park, and then Udhari bus stop hai. If you just put it in Google, after you reach the Nara Deer Park, that how to go to Kintetsu Nara station, it will show you the bus. So there's a bus stop. You take the bus. It will drop you right in front of Kintetsu Nara station. So you don't have to walk that. That is around 1.4 kilometer from Nara Deer Park. So I'm damn tired with all the walking. मुझे ज़्यादा चलना बिल्कुल पसंद नहीं है. But anyway, I'll help that in Japan. And so Kintetsu Nara station में हम लोग पहुँचे, and then again it's the same drill. We took the limited express train. It is supposed to leave at 4:25. It is 4:21 now, and you have to take the physical tickets and then tap your ICOCA card. So दोनों चीज़ चाहिए होता है, physical ticket and the ICOCA card for limited express trains. That's it. We are almost done for the day. See you soon. So finally हम पहुंच गए फुशिमी इनारी. It is इधर चावल और चिकन करी मिल रहा है. इंग्लिश में कन्वर्ट करो, इधर कार्ड डालो.